when you come to deliver an online presentation and you open up your computer and get into your online presentation software, this can be a very intimidating place. Oftentimes people's videos are off, they're on mute, it's silent, or the videos are on and you get expressionless faces, or even worse, this one. I'm sure you've all seen this one. This is scary. It's not a safe place. Now, we can never expect a safe environment, whether we're presenting online or in real life. However, passion creates safety. If you can show up in these moments and express your authentic passion, you will open up a space that people can connect to you. Because if you give emotion, you will get emotion back. And when you dare to be passionate, you are being vulnerable and you are daring to be authentic and give a piece of yourself. That's when we connect to you. That's when you allow us in. And it needs to be real. It needs to be authentic passion. However, it is scary. It is hard. In my online video course, I am giving you everything that I've learned in the last couple decades of my acting life, of my speaking life, of my facilitating life, to give you the tools you need to show up in these moments and be big and be bold and really show you. Because that is the best way to connect with other people, is to bring your authentic self to the game. So please, passion creates safety. Lead with passion and let me know how it goes.